As you can see, there are 6 set screw holes. These 2 have our set screws in them that tighten the button down to the button box. Let's go ahead and loosen those. Once those are loosened, let's go ahead and lift the button up vertically and pull all the insides out, including the transmitter and the battery. Then we carefully take apart the battery connector. It's a little bit of struggle, but we got to be careful. There we go, we have it. Then we're going to reconnect a brand new battery. If the transmitter does not activate the closer for the door, continue on to the next steps to see how to resync the transmitter. The closer cover has 2 set screws on the face of it. Let's go ahead and remove those, and then we're going to have to wiggle the closer cover plate off because it's held on by tension. We need to press and hold the learn button on the receiver till you see a red light go on. Then release and press the transmitter button until you see a blue light. That means it's synced and ready for activation. We need to ensure that the receiver is in a position where it's not going to fall out or get damaged or pinched. Then we are going to slide on the closer cover. It's going to just take a little bit of wiggle, slight push, make sure you're not pinching anything, and then get it on. Then we are going to put the 2 Allen screws in, and then we're good to go. Let's start by putting the transmitter, then the battery. Both have Velcro on them. Then we're going to slide the button down, bottom first. Make sure the wires are out of the way. Roll the top in, ensure it's in the hole of the set screw. Then we're going to tighten the 2 set screws, and that should be good to go.